लँड यूज मॅप आणि रजिस्टरा खाला म्हापसा आणि पणजे खातीरची प्रत्येक रचना नोंद करतले. जमनीचें कितें जालां तें कळपाक म्हूण रजिस्टर लोकांक उक्तो आसतलो.
North Goa Planning and Development Authority has received direction from government under section 39 of Town and Country Planning Act 1974 to redo in fresh, that is revise the outline development plan for Panaji and for Mapusa. या मिटिंगेन डिसिजन घेतला आमी की म्हापसा लँड यूज मॅप एंड रजिस्टर प्रिपेर करचो, पेंजीम लँड यूज मॅप एंड रजिस्टर प्रिपेर करचो, जी आयज लँड ज्या वस्तूक यूज जाल्ली आहा, लँड वीच इज यूज फॉर वेरियस गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स which otherwise on the plan is shown as a orchard, or it is shown just as a vacant land which is not vacant. So ती कित्याक यूज जाल्ली आहा तेका लँड यूज मॅप एंड रजिस्टर करपाक आमकां लायला. आनी एवरी स्ट्रक्चर which is there in Penjim and Mapusa will be registered on that land use map. पणजेचो प्लॅन केल्लो तो हायकोर्टान पेंडींग आहा. कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ सिटी ऑफ पेंजीम has gone. Today we have asked the mayor whether he will assist NGPDA to be part of it. He said yes, and all the corporators also will assist.
मायकलाक मंत्री करतात म्हूण अदीमदी खबरो पातळत असतात. मुख्यमंत्र्यान एखादी मोठी जबाबदारी दिल्यार खंय मायकल घेवंक तयार.
These are speculations even I am hearing, and I think Honorable Chief Minister has that prerogative to decide who is going to be whom, who is going to be who and when. So I think the only answer who can give an answer is the Chief Minister. If Chief Minister thinks that he should give me a bigger role, I am ready to play that role.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.